So let's discuss this case with Mumbai Police. Chamaila. This is my fourth Malayalam film review without Fahad Fasil in it. Yes, finally. So Mumbai Police is 2013 action thriller film directed by Roshan Andrews and screenplay by Bobby Prakash starring Prithvi Raj. The first thing I liked about this film is definitely Prithvi Raj. He is like that strong action hero who the villain won't like to mess up with. Like his eyes looks of a silent yet powerful person. Like very strong persona. He has that Ajay Devgan kind of eyes where just one look is enough for the other person to see the powerful persona of that man. So I actually remember seeing Prithvi Raj in one of the Bollywood film which had Rani Mukherjee in it, and I don't remember anything about that film. I just remember that there was Prithvi Raj, there was Rani Mukherjee in it, and Prithvi Raj was showing off his muscular body in that one song of Ayya. Basically the name of that film was Ayya. So talking about this film, Prithvi Raj was 100% perfect for this character of ACP Anthony Moses. Damn perfect casting by the director. So what we see is Anthony Moses finds out the culprit of the killing of his friend in the first scene of the movie. And after that he meets up with an accident, and after the accident he loses his memory partial. So he is the only one who knows about the murderer, the killer, but he has lost his memory. So now he has to find the killer again. This synopsis is actually enough to intrigue you to watch the film. It's damn good as a synopsis, man. And I also got hooked right from the start. Like I wanted to know what happened and who was the killer and what he was talking about. So the way the story was unfolding with Anthony getting back his memory, so with him we are also getting to know what had happened, was very clever and intelligent way to move the story forward. Director Roshan Andrews and writer Bobby Prakash did a smart job of telling the story in this way. Like I can see that it is like Memento meets Jason Bourne of Bourne Identity, but still an original story with original writing and completely different. Although to be honest with you guys, and if I'm giving my honest opinion, I was quite bored in the first half of the movie. Basically in the middle somewhere, it felt boring. I was losing the attention. It wasn't keeping me engaged. Especially the Aryan story and their friendship story was stretched too much. Like it could have been easily chopped half an hour from the movie, and this would have made the film fast, more engaging with the boring stuff out. But I understand this is a 2013 film and films were long back then. If it was made in this year, at this time, they would have made it a 1 hour 30 minute long film. But that's okay. I am okay with that considering that it was made in 2013. The acting of the cast of this film was decent. The focus mainly was on our main guy, that is Prithvi Raj. He had basically two different characters. One before the memory loss and one after the memory loss. The guy without memory loss was an egoistic, self-centered policeman. He had done bad things to people, unethical things to people. He was a bad guy basically. And after the accident, he was like more soft, more thoughtful. He would think before doing something, and also he felt like a bechara guy. That was a completely different character, a different role. So basically he did two roles in this one film and he nailed both of them. Farhan and Aryan, Team Mumbai Police as they are called by the people in the film, played by Jayasurya and Rahman, were decently good. The old inspector who takes the oath in front of them, all of them in the end, he was amazing. Like I had goosebumps in that scene. He was damn good. Also one more thing I noticed in the film, that the doctor Shweta Menon, I've seen her in some YouTube videos. I wouldn't like to talk about that, but you are smart enough to know. Yes. So this film definitely has one of the best climax, one of the best ending I've seen in the recent time. Like so unpredictable. So now I'm getting into the spoiler territory. So if you have not seen the film, watch the film. I think most of you have already seen the film, but if you have not, please stop here and watch the film on Hotstar and then come back and see my review again. Okay, so I was continuously trying to predict that who would be the murderer, and somehow it occurred to me it might be Prithvi Raj, but it won't make sense. Even if it came for a second, that thought, but I was not sure about it, because first thing is, how would he do that? He was his friend. Like ACP Anthony, this strong, this egoistic damn bastard in the film, the police, he would turn out to be a gay man. I would have never expected that, and kudos to the writer and the director to come up with that. because that was very unpredictable. It was totally opposite, and the way they showed that, amazing. That was like a shock. Oh fuck, that he's a gay. And this gives a perfect reason as Aryan finds out about Anthony that he is gay, and it can ruin his career if he tells this to everyone, and he has the perfect reason to kill Aryan. Very well done job by the writer. The way they showed with that video clip, Aryan was not going to tell. In fact, he was okay with that. He was liking the friendship of Anthony, and he wanted to return his medal which was given to him because Anthony had done the killing. Watching that video, when Anthony realizes that he has done this huge mistake of killing his friend who was very good to him, who was very nice to him, and he gets into that guilt trip, man, amazing climax, amazing storytelling. He realizes that he shouldn't have done that, and that's why he calls Farhan and he tells them that he is the killer and he is the culprit, and that's how they wrap up the story, and everything finally solves the puzzle. They show how he was able to use the automatic rifle and control it with the remote, and he was the one capable of doing this perfect crime. But this is Anthony we are talking about. He is damn good at his job, and he is the one who is the killer. Man, just think about it. The killer you wanted to find out, the killer killed your friend and you were so mad about it, turns out to be you. Man, this is what a concept this is. Like, this is what the ending should be, and it should shock you so badly. Amazing job, man. Amazing job by the writers. And the fact that this was made in 2013, amazing. The ending changed everything I was thinking about the film, that I got bored in between or anything. It's just the ending that made this film what it is, and it is amazing. So that was my review of Mumbai Police, guys, and Prithvi Raj is a damn good actor. I want to see more of Prithvi Raj now. Please let me know in the comment section if you want to suggest anything else of him. Subscribe, man. Like 90% of people watching the videos have not subscribed. Please subscribe. It helps, it motivates. Till then, bye.